Hey guys, but I got a few likes, but on going out from a lockdown part 1, actually 5 likes. Someone liked the video. So today, hey, we're gonna talk about gravity, where is your feet can go up high in the air, because an average person can jump over here on our Earth only 1.5 feet only, but we cannot live in any planet, I guess. So let's go. We'll try Mercury first, guys, the closest to the sun. That atmosphere doesn't have any around on it. So jumping here will take you about 4 feet high. It's making cool, but the gravity is even cooler than like this. But but we just do that. Mercury was minus 277 degrees Fahrenheit because they are very hot, because there is 165 Earth days over there. Next is Venus. Venus. But we can see, Archer, you're gonna see Earth in here, but I don't care. So jumping here will take you about 1.7 feet only, because there's magma bottom on it, and then there's thunder there, and then it's look like color yellow, I think, but same as my Rubik's cube, see? But this is my yellow color, so let's put it back. So skipping to our home planet, we're gonna go for its moon, Luna, as it calls for the name. So this one was the Earth from the moon. Jumping here will take you about 9 feet high. Hey, because the gravity is very cool that you can fall to the ground about several seconds only. But the moon was very cool. If you stay there, that is really cool. But that one will survive yourself. But you need to be an astronaut, because I don't care. So next is Mars, the red planet. So we're gonna make like this. It has water a few billion years ago now. So jumping here, you will take you about same as Mercury, is only 4 feet high, because if you stay there at evening, you're gonna see a multiple of a blue sunset. That's very cool, but the sun isn't a planet, it's our star. But you know, Rigel, it's a blue supergiant. So let's try next. Next is Phobos, the one of 2 moons of Mars. Jumping here was the gravity there was so weak, and then you already give up, because it's very small, look like an asteroid. Phobos is look like the second asteroid before that we've seen, but I don't care. So we'll try something first. So next. And then if the Mars is there, and then Phobos is over there, and then smash into Mars, and then it's look like a red ring now. So that will happen. Okay, next is Ceres, and then it's the largest known asteroid in the world. So I think Ceres is still look like an asteroid was the second, but I don't care. They are now here. Okay, and then if we give up, we don't do that. So jumping here will take you about 52 feet high, and then we're gonna go down through the ground to several seconds. Wait, over here. So Ceres is very massive, because it can go Earth for its massive force, and then hits through the Earth now, because I don't care about it. So we'll take you about from the ground. So next is Jupiter. The large is a gas giant, and then you cannot land on there. You can just stand on the platform. If you jump here, you'll take about 6 inches high, because it's very big, and then it's made up of gas a lot. So Jupiter has also a big storm on it, and then you give up because it's not cool there. Next is Ganymede. With Jupiter's moon. Jump in there will take you about 10 feet high because you know that everything was very okay. So you only give up from that second. So it's very high than Earth's gravity. So and the moon. So next, Titan have rock underneath, but I did not care. Now let's go to the next. Next is Saturn, another giant. If you're here, you can still stand on a flat platform of made up of gases because that's not cool. Because made up of gases, you might die. So you cannot survive there. So jumping there will take you about 1.4 feet high in the air, closest to our own planet. So Saturn was it has 62 moons there, but Jupiter has 67 moons. But you know that. But let's go. Next is Titan, the biggest moon of Saturn. Jumping there will take you about 11 feet high in the air because it's made everything what you have done. So you know Titan it is Saturn's biggest moon from all because it's color yellow or something, so will take you about on the air. So next is Uranus, another giant, but it's very cold in here. Brr. So you're gonna go here. Jumping there will take you about closest is very higher than Earth's gravity. You can jump about 1.7 feet high in the air because if you stay there until an hour, you have minus 377 degrees Fahrenheit, and then so you'll freeze until you stay on her. It's cold. Next is Neptune, and then it's the last one. But we're not still done yet. It's the final planet from our sun. So jumping there will take you about the lowest. It's almost look like 0. It looks like a little bit more. It's plus 2 inches only. But you cannot jump there because you cannot jump how high is 1.5 feet. Because you can jump about 1.3 feet high only. Because it's almost the twin of Uranus. So next of that one, we're gonna get Triton, one of the moon of Neptune. So jumping there will take you about 19 feet high, and then that's very high. That's you can stand over through the planet. So you're gonna see anything like that, but 19 feet is enough, but it's not, they cannot beat Ceres because it's 52 feet high in the air. So the next one, but our tripping is not done yet. Next is Pluto. It's a baby planet. So jumping there will take you about like this. It's so higher than Triton. You can jump about 25 feet high. That's very cool. If Pluto is close to the sun now, you're going to and then all of those planets with the hills on the gray will turn brown because they melt. On Titan, there's an explosive volcano. And then you have to run now because something is now exploding from the planet, from that moon. So how it's not done yet. We have one more now. It's Eris. It still looks like a dwarf planet too, but but you know it. If you jump there, you're gonna take about 18 feet high in the air because that gravity is very cool. But that's all. Hey, how long can you jump on our planet? And then tell us in the comments below on the comments. But we just have a lockdown. And then click over here to my videos. And then see you next time, guys. Goodbye. You can make your feet high up in the air, but Venus didn't care because it's about very not high, but something gets a little bit high, but you're gonna see everything what you want. So, and then we're gonna see you next time, guys. And then keep your gravity up high in the air because this is only how I can jump. Sorry, I just have to sit now. Now, how long can you jump on any planet? Tell us in the comments below, and then see you next time. Bye! But wait, I did not done yet. But I know who's the biggest. It's the universe. You know that? And then tell us in the comments below. Say yes if you know it. Say no if you don't know it.